Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Steam too many retries. So the first thing that we could do here to check or fix this issue is to first check if you are correctly using your account name and password here. So one of the main reasons for you to receive this issue is you might have incorrectly entered your account name and password. So make sure that you are using the correct account name as well as the password. So if you've forgotten your password, make sure that you actually reset your password, and most probably you should also remember your email for this one. Now, once you've done that and you've ensured that you are using the correct account name as well as the password, then we could go to our second solution. For our second solution, we would want to confirm that we are currently connected to a stable internet connection. So make sure to check that your interconnection is stable. So if your interconnection is fluctuating, that would actually probably cause the issues for your Steam too many retries problem. So from then on, you just need to try again later when your interconnection is stable. And from then on, your issue should be resolved, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.